Hey friends, if headphones are not working or detected on your Windows system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So first of all, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab and sound in the right pane. Now scroll down and click on more sound settings. Go to the playback tab and check if there is a headphone here. Like I have speakers, not headphones, but make sure it's a default device. If not, right click on it and then make it the default device. The next solution is to make sure that you're using the right ports. Like if you're using USB ports, then please try interchanging them because at times a few USB ports can go bad. The next solution is to restart the audio service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services, and then scroll down to the Windows audio service. Right click on it and then select restart. The next solution is to update the audio drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager window. And then expand this list of sound, video, and gaming controller devices. Right click and update all of these. And then scroll up and expand audio inputs and outputs and right click and update all of these. The next solution is to use the audio troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. The last solution will be to install a newer version of Windows, install Windows updates. So right click on the start button and then select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.